Hello and welcome to Edmodo, one of my favorite websites for my 6th grade students. Although we talked about it in our letter on the Digital Classroom Wiki, your child will not be joining Edmodo from home. They will join as a class. It's just easier for them, and we get them all in under the same class code. I'm going to create a fictitious student and show you how they will be signing in. It is important that you send your child with their email address and a password, a secure password for them, and then we can have them sign in. The email is not only for signing in, but it is also for them to be able to receive notifications or alerts. Edmodo is a learning platform. As I said before, it is secure. It reminds the students of Facebook. It is a great place to access assignments and to turn in assignments. I'm going to go ahead now and click I'm a student. I have a group code, which your child will receive a different code than this when they do sign up at school. Edmodo is case sensitive, not only on the group codes, but on usernames and passwords. So it's very important to make note of that. Alright, username. There's no spaces between it. And let's see. And password. Now it says optional on the email, but once again, when your child comes to school, they need to have that address. And they will put their actual first name and their actual last name. Okay? I would urge you to go to the Terms of Service and Edmodo Privacy Policy, read through those, click to show your acceptance, and then your student, once they've had the group code at school and they have this all filled out, will simply click sign up and they will be admitted to my class. Alright, this shows student's first name, last initial, shows they belong to McMaster Period 1. These are learning communities that they are automatically connected with. And one of the neat things about Edmodo is once your child signs into Edmodo, you can have them sign in at home, and then you can make note of this parent code. Each parent has a different code. Maybe I should say each family has a different code. And you should be able to use the same parent code on any of the Edmodo accounts your child has through HMS. If they have another teacher using Edmodo, you should have the same parent code. Okay? Up here it shows you that there is one notification already that tells the students to click on that. And here it is the profile, which we will help your child set up. Settings. This is great, the help section. And of course log out. Besides the parent code, where you can view only your child's assignments, their graded assignments, and this page, is the Edmodo Planner. I created a fictitious assignment here on Tuesday, August 13th, and it tells which class it applies to and what they will be doing. That's a great thing to check. Then you can go back to their main page, we call it. And of course, as we progress through Edmodo, you will see assignments here. You will see links perhaps, or a video attachment. And they can also turn in assignments. So what I thought it would be interesting, let's go up and let's log out the student. And I'm going to log in as the teacher and show you what it looks like from my viewpoint. And each time they log in, they'll only need their email and their password. They do not need to click I'm a student anymore. All right, these are communities or groups. These are teacher connections that you're seeing right here. Although when I do have classes, they will be listed here also. And of course, these are just connections back and forth between some teachers. Up at the top, you will note that I can send a note to students. I can send an alert, and that's why you need your email. If I want to create an assignment, I give it a title. I describe what they're going to be doing, say creating an iMovie tutorial about Edmodo for other students. If necessary, I can attach files, or I can link them to a tutorial video. I can also link them to a folder in my library, and I can also delay sending this. I can schedule when I want the message to go. This lets me select and tells the student when this assignment is due, and I can, of course, I type in who I want to send it to. And I can click send, or you can see here that I've already scheduled one assignment, a fictitious assignment. All right. Of course, my page, once I am on, say, period 1, will show me all the students' submissions. Students especially like the poll option where I ask for their opinion on something. It's also a great little formative assessment to gauge understanding. Okay, your student will have opportunity to view all of these things we're talking about. Okay, I'll go ahead and log out now. There are tutorials on Edmodo. There's tours you can take, and as we get more into the school year, I hope to make those available to you. I'm really excited about this year, excited to meet your student, and excited to have them in my class. Looking forward to it. Thank you for viewing.